Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introducing myself. My name Diah Ayu Drupadi. I am major in social studies. I will give two question about social. Okay. Hello, what's your name? Okay, I'm Nabila Nurbania Qur'ani. I am a student of the law program study at the Faculty of Science Education. Okay, now I have two questions for you about social project. First, what is your opinion on social funds in Indonesia that are often not targeted correctly? Okay. In my opinion, the misdirection of social funds in Indonesia reflect a serious issue in the implementation and monitoring system. Many aid programs are not based on accurate data, and this space for corruption or misuse. It's really unfortunate, yeah, when those who truly need assistance are left out, while others are not eligible to receive the benefits. This not our effectiveness of programs, but also this is public trust in the government. Next, number two. If you were to become the Minister of Social Affairs, what solution would you implement? If I were appointed the Minister of Social Affairs, I will focus creating on integrated data system that collaborates with local governments and civil society communities to ensure accuracy and transparency. I also strengthen the verification process. The verification process juga. I believe solution should be both technological and human-centered to really work. Thank you for your answer. Dadah.
Okay, I'm Zahwa Zainabia from Social Study Education. Can you introduce yourself first?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Haris Rifati. I'm from Telkom University Bandung.
Okay, first question. What is your response to social fund in Indonesia which are often not on target?
Before I answer the questions, I'm sorry, my English is not good. Okay, I think social funds in Indonesia are often misdirected due to inaccurate recipient data, lack of transparency, and local political influence. A lot of aid goes to the wrong people, while those who really need it are often missed. The lack of utilization of technology also makes distribution prone to errors and irregularities.
Okay, let's see the next question. Second question, if you were the Ministry of Social Affairs, what your solution would you implement?
Okay, if I become a Minister of Social Affairs, I will focus on improving data on beneficiaries by building an integrated data system that is regularly updated. The distribution of aid will be digitized to reduce corruption loops and speed up distribution. In addition, public transparency will be improved through an open reporting system, and the community will be involved in monitoring. I will also encourage empowerment program so that it is not only consumptive, but able to live the economic independence of private citizen.
Thank you, Kang.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Akila Teda from Social Science Education, Indonesian University of Education. Today, I'm currently at Buana Life, and I will interview other customer at Buana about social fund.
Hello, my name is Ania.
Okay, first question is what is your opinion on social fund in Indonesia that are often not targeted correctly?
I think it's messed up. Like the social funds doesn't always go to the right people. There's clearly something off with the system that's low-key sus.
Okay, the next one is if you were to become the Minister of Social Affairs, what solution would you implement?
The first thing that I do is to fix the data, use technology to track stuff, and makes everything transparent so the people can see where the money goes to. So with that, I hope there's no more sneaky business. That's all.
Okay. I think it's such a good opinion. Thank you. And thank you for your time for this interview. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Gevira Radita Melati and I'm from Social Science Education. Now, I will ask about social funds that are not well targeted. Hi,
Hi.
what's your name?
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Sarah Aziz Ahmad and my major is physics education.
Okay, question number 1, what is your opinion on social funds in Indonesia that are often not targeted correctly?
Okay, for me, social funds should help people who really need support. But in Indonesia, many times goes to the wrong people. Like some families who are doing just fine still get aid, while those who are really struggling are left out. That shows the system isn't working well yet because the transparency is not enough and the data isn't always correct.
Okay, and question number 2, if you were to become the Minister of Social Affairs, what solution would you implement?
If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, here's what I do. The first one is I'd fix the data because we need to make sure the list of people who get aid always updated and based on facts. I'd work with local communities and use national ID numbers and digital system.
Thank you, Sarah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifa Fauzia Rahma. My major is Social Science Education. So here I will ask about social funds that are not well targeted. Hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Diandra Putri.
One question. What is your opinion on social funds in Indonesia that are often not targeted correctly?
Well, social fund not getting to the right people in Indonesia, I think this is a pretty big deal. Like it's totally different. The purpose of why those funds exist in the first place, which is to help out folks struggling with poverty and support community that are super vulnerable.
Number 2. If you were to become the Minister of Social Affairs, what solution would you implement?
If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, my absolute main goal would be to make sure that every single rupiah of social fund effective with the people who need it most.
Thank you.
Hello, I am Lia, and you?
I am Lisa.
Nice to meet you. Are you willing to be interviewed?
Yes, I will.
Okay, I have two questions, and I ask your opinion about the question that I have. First question, what is your opinion on social funds in Indonesia that are often not targeted correctly?
In my opinion, it is due to inaccurate data, and it is possible that the exciting that people who may not have been able to do so before do not get the funds back, and the funds will be distributed to those who need them more. Not only that, there may be some people who are not responsible for their work and take advantage for their position.
The second question, if you were to become the Minister of Social Affairs, whose solution would you implement?
What I will do is definitely be firm and always ensure that the data is updated every time and the funds are distributed so that the funds are distributed and received by people who are entitled to the funds.
Okay, thank you for answer my question. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dadah.